don't they see that strange? Can't you see? I made in his image. I'm washed by the blood. He ain't leaving the stain, leaving the game. Step in his presence. I promise, little dog, I ain't leaving the same. Back in the game, they wanted me to be popping. I'm shooting my shot with the aim. This pressure is different. This father is different. This favor is different. Ain't nothing the same. I'm getting back in my bag. I'm getting back in my bag. I'm getting back in my bag. Yeah. I'm getting back in my bag.
Yeah, I'm getting back in my bag. Christ bag. Remember, I used to be stuck in the hood. I just had to take me the right path. Baptized. Jesus had came in and gave me a light bath. And anytime I see a demon, I pull out the sword and give him a nice stab. I used to carry that drink like Adonis with hands on the chronic, but I gave it up. Keep the word on my head like a bonnet. I'm just being honest. That's just what's been keeping me up. Plenty people told me I should stop it. Jesus told me pop it, so I'm finna give him a buck. He had to get on that cross, so I'ma give him my life and him that I trust. Yeah, go to Jesus. He the only way.
I'm getting back in my bag. I'm getting back in my bag. I'm getting back in my bag. Yeah. I'm getting back in my bag. This favor is different. This Bible is different. This word it be hitting ain't nothing the same. I know I'm forgiven. I'm living repentant. They want me to slide, but I'm not finna bang. I get it. I did it. I'm on it. I got it. I'm balling with Christ and we deep in the pain. You dead for my sin and it made me a saint. I just know matter of fact I keep praising your name.
Go to Jesus.
I'm getting back in my bag.
He the only way.
Go to Jesus. I'm getting back in my bag.
He the only way.
Good.
Go to Jesus.
I'm getting back in my bag.
He the only way.
Yeah.
Go to Jesus.
I'm getting back in my bag.
Yeah, I've been through a lot, it could have been worse. Made some mistakes, but you always bringing it up. Saw the wound, it seemed like you wanted to hurt. I tried to tell you my vision, but you started stomping all over my dreams. You seem like you want me to kirk. Seem like they want me to yearn. Nebuchadnezzar seem like they want me to burn. I gotta live what I learned. Wavy, feel like a perm. I had to wait and discern. He paid the price of my sins, this court is adjourned. They say you get what you earn. He said you sow what you reap. He made me out of the dirt, but he calling me to the streets. She want the love that I give, but that's too much credit to me. Nothing in life is free. That's why he gave us his life. You got the freedom to do what you want, but you rather go to the club. You got the freedom to do what you want, but you rather go to the plug. Now I'm really in shock. I'm really astounded. You wouldn't love when you found it. I cannot slip when I'm grounded. My brothers, they keep me accounted.
Okay. Good morning, everybody. I give you a bye.
You sucking your teeth like, dang, what are we doing for real? What are we doing for real? Saw the earth, if we do not flavor it up, then what are we doing for real?
Yeah. Good morning. New year, you know, we here. Blessed day already. Okay, let's see what we seen today. I just gotta check it. And did it. Okay. On the weekly. Hold on one second. I'm looking like, how did this happen? There we go. Alright, that's better. Music a bit loud in my ears. 3-1. Okay. So our lowest low is still holding. Price is still kind of looking kind of sideways still. Price is still looking kind of sideways, holding the same low and the same high. So we're just gonna continue. So you're still looking at the same spot. Not much there. Looking for one of the highs or lows to get broken. Kind of what we're doing. The week before was green, but last week was red. So Yeah, we just gotta see. On the daily, yeah, just all last week was just red. Was this Friday? The second? The second, yeah. Friday was an indecision. The gap got filled. Gap got filled. Demand zone. Plus the retest of structure. Started inviting buyers back in. Now we currently got buying. That's really good. I marked these up last Monday too. So it was the gap that was formed. And then a structure level that held, broke through. Then I had demand zone that held. Okay. I had a demand zone that held and started buying from, as well as rejecting structure. So this is looking good. Let's extend this structure level. And just send it for the week. See if it ends up holding this whole week. We can get rid of this. I'll keep it. When price is buying, we just hit it 4-hour EMA, so we'll see. Yeah, we can get rid of this now. Alright, this is what we're working with today. Sells. I have this upper sell. We'll mark this level. Because potential target. Yeah. If we're buying this last level, we'll put it at target. You can go move down to the 15. Okay. It just shows the rejection of this. This is now a support level. We can change this to a support level now. So we have structure, retest. We're also on the 15. I'm not seeing anything else. This high lines up with this level. Don't really know if it's worth marking, but we'll just see if it lines up with anything. If it makes any sense. Pop out the hood. We also have this, which is interesting. Level of structure that got broken. A broken structure to a retest turn support to buying. So I think it's less of this and more of this one. Let's go down to 5. My nose, my allergies, dude. Okay. We got a tap. End up giving us a break. Ended up giving us a break and retest to the zone. could be here. Also could be up here. So this stalled here, came back, started buying. Or it could be this level. So this is the last buy. That gave a rejection with volume. And we're gonna say it's a small. We're gonna look at this one. Hey, hold up. Hey, let's check. Let's check news today. That I literally checked this last night and it said it was 9. News was at 9. Now I got changed to 10. No news tomorrow. But yeah, okay. News was definitely said it was at 9. Last night it said it was at 9. Now it's at 10. Okay. I thought it was a bit weird for it to be at 9. Normally news isn't at 9. It's normally 8:30 to 8. Normally 8:30, 8:45, 10, 9:45. It's never just. I can't remember it being 9. But anyways, we found our setup for the day. This is what we're looking at. Okay. Go through Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go through the analysis one more time. Okay, weekly. Weekly is still showing the same two levels, same two weekly levels. The weekly low and the weekly high. We're still in between these levels. So we can expect either one of these levels to hold as support or resistance. So we just trade into one of the levels. On the daily, daily is showing we're sideways. Daily showing we're sideways. Gave a rejection. We're just sideways. There's not much. We're just sideways. Price seems to be rejecting a level and buying up. That level I marked was a structure level where rejection came in, and then volume blew through the level. It becomes a break of structure. Price came back to that level. Grab liquidity. There's liquidity sitting here. Grab liquidity. Reject the level. So now it seems buyers are in control. Down to the hourly. Yeah, just massive volume. Actually, a giant sell candle, which is crazy. A giant sell candle. And then, yeah, buyers reject the level. Buyers stall. Grab some liquidity. Reject the level. And now we're continuing buying. And there is no gap this week as it was last week. 15. Just seen another structure level that was holding. It got broke. And then it started holding as support. And since we're buying, I would target the last relative high. Since price is buying, I'm looking to trade with the trend. I will target the last relative high for liquidity. So if I do get my buy set up, price, I have an idea that price is going to hit this level before it ends up rejecting or whatnot. It's like a resistance level, or it could hold, or it could be just fill liquidity for buyers to continue going. And I go down to the 5. After seeing this level holding as support on the 15, I came down to the 5, found the last zone for a demand zone, saw liquidity being built, liquidity got grabbed, reject the structure level as support, have another break of structure with good volume, and now the setup is waiting for price to come to the zone, give confirmation signals, and I'll look to buy. In theory, the trade is looking at like a 25 point trade. Definitely won't be getting, I definitely won't be getting that, but that's the theory.
AJ, get exotic with it.
creation, one who believes I am a child of God, a holy nation, friend of the king. I am protected and I am loved. I am an heir, so on the seas. I've been forgiven, I have been freed, I have been chosen, I've been redeemed. Okay, I'm one of the ones. One of who? One of the unashamed, I mean unashamed. Never do I hesitate or doubt to call upon his name. Call him mighty God, call him Jesus Christ. He's the King of kings, he's the one who reigns. He's the Alpha, Omega, Jehovah, and we give him glory because he is the one. Yeah, do we walk through the valley? We will not fear any evil. We running and not growing weary. We soaring on wings like we eagles. We getting rid of our pride and stepping away from our ego. We keep our lips from telling lies. Our tongues don't speak any evil. We got on the armor of God, the belt, the truth, the shoes, of peace. We know that the devil's a lie. That word about him will lose and sleep. We be depending on God. He said his grace is all we need. So where we keeping our minds? We keeping our minds stayed on me. Cause he is the one. I done been in the world, but I never been friends with the world. Maybe because I'm not of the world, I don't follow the world. Even if I'm meant to take an L, then it's probably out of this world. I'm a model of the world, I'm a represent God on this earth. In and outside of the church, the Father is first. I don't have a physical Bible, but baby, my Bible that broke. I know God is the one that supplies me with all that I need. That is through Jesus Christ, and I'm certain that all things are possible if you believe. So keep on speaking life. I know from the love of God that nothing can separate me. Not even death, either life. I know poverty catches up with too much slumber or sleep. So I'ma just sleep at night, and the Lord is my strength. But who should I be afraid of? I fall on my knees and repent. He's better than what I done gave her. If I am the one being sent, Satan gon' see what I'm made of. Man, if you had any sins, I'm telling you now, he would change her. It's a delicate thing when I say I'm a step for the king. I put that on everything. With a mess, I'm clean. I don't mess with the devil, it stings. I love and respect Elohim, he be setting us free. We know that all things are working together, declare and decree. Do you know of all the things God has prepared for me? No, it's never been seen. Okay, I'm one of the ones. A new creation, one who believes I am a child of God, a holy nation, friend of the king. I am protected and I am loved. I am an heir, so on the seas. I've been forgiven, I have been freed, I have been chosen, I've been redeemed. Okay, I'm one of the ones. One of who? One of the unashamed, I mean unashamed. Never do I hesitate or doubt to call upon his name. Call him mighty God, call him Jesus Christ. He's the King of kings, he's the one who reigns. He's the Alpha, Omega, Jehovah, and we give him glory because he is the one.
Okay, we're getting movement, selling. Let's go to 5 minutes. 1 minute. See what is that. So let's see. Hold on. The first sell, this one right here, 810. So this is the 8.5 candle. So you got this sell and the rejection. We rejecting this level, this structure level, but it's true. But selling down further. Bought back, just gave another level for sellers to hop back in. Continue selling down. I can hang. You know the name. Okay, I set this level as liquidity on the 5 minute. I set this level on liquidity on the 5 minute. We had this double bottom. And this candle here, as we see, it lines up. But that candle there, if I find a level that's holding like these were, and then those candles, a red candle to an instant green candle, filling that red candle, I just see it as holding the same level. Price started going lower, but instantly was rejected. So whatever level of liquidity that's holding, that's where buyers are stepping in. Let me see if I can explain that again. So we had this red candle, instantly bought back with the green candle. So sellers were pushing price down, but buyers immediately shot back up saying we don't want to go lower. and then there was a retest, buyers supporting, then another retest, buyers supporting again. So this level that I created from these double bottoms is holding as the support level. But I'm looking for it to be liquidity for my trade entry. Just like me. Just like me. This level right here. This level I have to watch for. Even this level. You gotta watch for these two levels. Why I say these two levels? You have a tap, tap, all these bodies, taps, another tap here. This is where price last tap for sell off. So I watch this level. Same thing with the level above it. Just multiple taps and bodies. So these might try holding, but truthfully these might, if this is correct, if buying is correct, these will just be liquidity, but they might hold. They might hold. And even from zone, from zone to these levels, it's 11 points, 11, 12 points. So trade look good. Still a good trade. Let's see if price giving us his entry or not. Okay, just same level I explained. It's holding. Got rejected. Holding up as liquidity. I mean, my bad. Holding up as support. I think it's building more liquidity. I mean, prices moving. Prices moving as expected. We have massive sales and then a big selling candle that gets shut down on this level that was where buyers was entering from. So we have those same people thinking this level is supposed to be holding. So that's why we had another big green candle. We have buyers weakening sellers, and then it's stalled enough. We must be going. More buyers or sellers got out of their position, which helped this giant move. One of the two. But now price is slowly pushing back down. So, but we still looking for the same thing. Looking for the same thing. Price to take this out. Maybe even take this out. Take this out. I mean, take this level out and then get rejection confirmation. That's all I'm looking for. And if price continue buying from here, I mean, that's fine. That is a-okay if price continues buying from here. I still have the setup. I still have the zone. The only thing that will invalidate my zone is if price ends up taking out the highs. Let me think. The only thing that will invalidate my zone, yeah, it really is just price taking out these highs and then giving a rejection. Price taking out the highs, either rejecting the target level or rejecting in between or rejecting somewhere near the target level and then come back to the zone. That would be indication of the setup being invalid. But for now, all this is fine. Just buying, it's against the plan, but it's fine. Yeah, nothing to stress about. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No walking around with that Bible. You got it, me. I wish I would turn up for God. I can't come down. I don't got a battery.
Came alive, the second one seeing the reason that you was made for this life. Staying up late, you tried working harder to make them proud all around. Just smiling, you're done with seeing your people cry. No lie, Heavenly Father guide me the rest of my life. Out the nest, mommy said go use your wings, I guess I'm fly. I tell her life from time to time I'm constantly dropping, but still I know that I ain't stopping till I reach the top of the sky. Passionate, so I've been writing, declining the 9 to 5, they're respecting the fakest lines, don't respect me. I'm not on crime from watching Let It Shine and Stormzy. Now music, I'm making mine. I've worked so hard at the meaning of taking breaks, couldn't define. Say you got a dream and they claim you're crazy until you're right. I was up grinding in the summer, but they were the coldest nights. Don't you climb the hills for the world to see you, but climb the hills to see the world that was a part of God's design. But still, the two most important days of your life, the point you became alive, the second one seeing the reason that you was made for this life. Staying up late, you tried working harder to make them proud all around. Just smiling, you're done with seeing your people cry. No lie, Heavenly Father guide me the rest of my life. Out the nest, mommy said go use your wings, I guess I'm fly. I tell her life from time to time I'm constantly dropping, but still I know that I ain't stopping till I reach for the top of the sky. They told them birds make some room for me, and all of them planes too.
Okay.
Dream like Luther King, they choose to hate you. A change in how you speak, cause I may change, you ain't the same, dude. Don't start acting like you knew me if I break free.
Well, we'll see if it's good or not.
Picture can't avoid your needs in life, so to be honest, I don't really hate to lose. I rap so sick, the doctors where I make the booth. False prophets in this jungle see some lines made to be great, but now they're moving like how snakes would do. This one's a song you can play when you feel alone. What you think becomes what you say, so be careful what you feed your dome. I was so lost chasing the bills, I felt I lost my soul. Just like a place with no people with the lights on at home. Started to see the value in the smaller things. Began to get a hold of things I was holding in like a brand new bro. Tried everything that I could think of, had no place to go. I lost all hope, went to the Lord, now things are going slow. But much more better in His timing. Cause if I live my life too fast, I can't reverse to the memories that I missed due to blinding. Don't know why I was put with the stars, see the way I'm shining. I'ma make it out the mud, applying pressure like a diamond. Hoping you relate up in my shoes when I am writing. I'm just another dreamer from a pillow that's only gone to grinding. Better to be patient, everybody's got their timing.
Okay.
That don't mean that you gotta stop.
Which, yeah, still looking the same.
Important days of your life, the point you became alive, the second one seeing the reason you was made for
Like I said, buyers, sellers could have got out of position here, and sellers could have got out of position, which started this upward trend. Sellers getting out is buying, and more buyers stepped in, pushed price higher. Now prices fell to hit the EMA. Might be getting a rejection here. Man, it's just a waiting game. Just a waiting game. Hit demon in the sight. Come on back. Fucking me, right?
Too many things I don't understand. I can go the same way, not a chance. Gotta stand on business, I can stand on sand. Gotta let it go, put it in God's hands.
Okay, it's in God's hands.
Okay, it's in God's hands. Okay, it's in God's hands. Okay, I don't get what I want sometimes. I'm still on my knees and love ones peace out sometimes. Love and peace ain't leaving. It might be drought, but it don't mean it ain't my season. God's child, I'm beaming. God's child came back out and I feel like feeling. Crash out cause I feel like racing. Black out when they moving shady. How you been? I still feel like David. God can't get no clearer. Show love, I don't even like him, but he see God when he look in the mirror. Devil, look, I got bad news. His grace on me like tattoos, solidified like statues. You scared of holy, I'm that too. You wait, going. First he went straight to stoning. Nobody told him it isn't a voting. I might die laughing, but I see you there when a trumpet. I'm already chosen. I'm already do it. I'm already free. It's already G. Can't be scared. I'm already me. Can't change what tomorrow brings. Girl, that's way too many. Way too many things I don't understand. I can go the same way, not a chance. Gotta stand on business, I can stand on sand. Gotta let it go, put it in God's hands.
Okay, it's in God's hands.
Okay, it's in God's hands. Okay, it's in God's hands. I'm torn in between the two. I'm choosing life, can't die yet, huh? Rappers eating other rappers, but I got a different beef. I'm on a diet, huh? God coming back, don't cry yet. He gon' make it all right. We gon' be all right. Leave on a high note like Mariah. Carry me all the way to the Messiah, huh? God, I'm feeling the pain. I know you care for me, that's why I came. Not a customer, but waiting for change. Take all this hell and turn it to rain. God, you're too different to leave me to shame. All my enemies wanna be cool. Do they really? But they don't want dinner with us, they looking for food. It's a matter of meditation, not medication. Lift me up to the Father like levitation. At some point I gotta do better. When I'm gonna stop being sorry like lamentation. Can't A out the voice of the Holy Spirit. Can't deep fake them, ain't no real man. The wealth of the wicked, they threw it away. I caught it and ran like Killer Man. My verse can heal or kill a man. I gotta be careful cause when it's all over I gotta put limits in God's hand. Who discerning the heart, only God can. I really pray Kendrick Cole, Ye and Drake is in God plan. I hope you hear me. What's the king of hip hop, the God man? You hear me?
Ain't nothing, everything above.
It ain't nothing, gotta send it up. Like it's nothing, everything above. Like it's nothing, okay. Gotta send it up. Like it's nothing, everything above. It ain't nothing, gotta send it up. Like it's nothing, everything above. Like it's nothing, yeah.
No, Terry. You're doing great this year. Yeah, pick it up. He's in no top flow. How we sitting now? Okay, so EMA held. We're rejecting back lower. We'll have to see if price can end up breaking these levels to invalidate this buying. We had this high that held that support, so we gotta see if price ends up breaking these levels to invalidate the buyers. Hey yo. Okay, it's seeming like buyers are actually just in control. That's what it's seeming like. We get lower and lower. We get lower, prices buying up. Last high that was rejected is holding as support. So it seems buyers are just in control. I had to pick it up. So I mean, there's nothing to do. It's either just get a setup or we don't get. I mean, we get an entry for our setup or we don't. That's all it is. I look for same specific things daily. Either I get it or I don't. In the meantime, while I wait, I mean, just do whatever, watch whatever, just chilling. No stress because we're not rushing, we're not forcing. Price can move all at once, but if price isn't moving in my zone, in my setup, giving me an entry, there's nothing for me to do. It's too many days. There's too many days trading is available to try to rush and force a trade that isn't there. My day will come. My setup will come.
I wrote you a letter. You said to follow the vision. I know that it's different, but it's better. Everything still got a season. I cannot be here forever. As long as I'm still praising God, living and breathing, I write you a letter. And I see where I'm going, taking a step, living in truth, and I'm doing my best. Know I got motion, talking my chest, put it in work, but ain't breaking a sweat. Bust down watch, but it's not a protect. See what I love, so I gotta protect. Done with the past, I'ma put it to rest. Knowing with you is forever. God, I wrote you a letter. You said to follow the vision. I know that it's different, but it's better. Everything still got a season. I cannot be here forever. As long as I'm still praising God, living and breathing, I'll write you a letter. Back to the top, give me lit. Touch the gas so I know what it is. Though a drama, I'm not a kid. Talk to me right or it's never again. I'm a dog, walking with pressure. With the king and I stay getting better. Changing the world, ain't changing for cheddar. The kingdom of God still gon' be here forever. Big dog status had caught me a medal. They finna see how I change for the better. Can't kill my sweater, righteous. See, I'm applying the pressure. Yeah, back on the block, I had to block out the noise. I'm like this, the way he man. Can't fight this. Following God, and I know that it's priceless. Knowing with you is forever. God, I wrote you a letter. You said to follow the vision. I know that it's different, but it's better. Everything still got a season. I cannot be here forever. As long as I'm still praising God, living and breathing, I'll write you a letter. Yeah. Though that I'm done with the past, I'm going up and I'm not finna crash. Yeah, in the storm, I'm still finna sing, I'm not getting mad. I needed change, I wanted that. Knowing with you is forever. God, I wrote you a letter. You said to follow the vision, I know that it's different, but it's better. Everything still got a season, I cannot be here forever. As long as I'm still praising God, living and breathing, I'll write you a letter.
Yeah, price is doing the same. Just showing buyers are in control. So this level went from looking like liquidity to holding and support. And just time and time, structure holds. Structure holds. So now the next level of structure. The last high before reject. The last high before rejection. So price may end up coming up, hitting this level. Hold the structure, pushing off.
go forever infinitely. Don't wanna give me, I can't do no gimmicky. I keep it solid, had to do it differently. Jacket from Holland, my pants from Italy. I just pulled up at the embassy, had to turn up on my enemies. I went with God where he sending me. I ain't get here accidentally. I got the antidote, I got the remedy. Me and my brothers, we solid. Do anything back with the bounce. We rolling in symmetry, light up the city. They like my divinity. Angels with me, they surround my vicinity. Stay with the vibe, I don't do negativity. Shining from Mississippi or the Tennessee. Came from the south, but you know where we finna be. I'm going mad. I ain't got no ceilings, broke all the glass. I got that feeling, ain't no going back. Been moving so fast, I can't make it last. Been speeding too fast, I hope I don't crash. I'm going too crazy, I'm at to the max. I'm dodging the cameras, I ran when they flash. My head in the heavens, my foot on the gas. Yeah, we started away, they copied the splash. My team on my back, LeBron with the Cavs. I stay to the plan, I stuck to the map. I paid all my dues and then I pay tax. I'm back in the mix, I stay to the plan, I stuck to the script. I just crossed the waters, they burned down the bridge. I got on my goal, let the blessing commence.
Never follow the crowd, I ain't trying to blend. Though hit me for a feature, if you're not a friend, give a shot of the tie. You know daddy my twin, hit me up with a banger. We did it again, take a minute and look what he done. Know it's God's plan, don't mistake it for luck. I'ma give him my all while they giving it up. And they keep doubting me while I'm keeping it up. Had a plan and I started a wave. Keep it frank, you would drop in the ocean. Bad shorty never picking my calls. Little did she know that I've been chosen. It's raining blessings and I'm taking a shower. Dollar in my pocket, still I gave it a thought. Coming line of what a shout out to my mother. Kicked me out the crib and now we looking at houses.
I'm going mad. I ain't got no ceilings, broke all the glass. I got that feeling, ain't no going back. Been moving so fast, I can't make it last. Been speeding too fast, I hope I don't crash. I'm going too crazy, I'm at to the max. I'm dodging the cameras, I ran when they flash. My head in the heavens, my foot on the gas. Yeah, we started away, they copied the splash. My team on my back, LeBron with the Cavs. I stay to the plan, I stuck to the map. I paid all my dues and then I pay tax. I'm back in the mix, I stay to the plan, I stuck to the script. I just crossed the waters, they burned down the bridge. I got on my goal, let the blessing commence.
Hope y'all are staying cool out there. Keep it locked.
Just as before. Price breaks the last side, and then it holds that support. For this one, it also has EMA holding that support too. So it is what it is. It is what it is. They still hold out if we get rejections at these two levels, or even at the high up here. If we get rejections even at the high, the setup is still valid. This is just moving. Price is just moving. So I don't know, man. And I can't even say, like, if I go to the 5 minute. 5 minute, like, we saw this. This is what we saw. So I said it could have came from this, and this would have been the new zone. But if this was the zone, because zones build up off each other, but if this was the zone, I'll murder this up. If this was our zone, then we get this rejection and get the double the confirmation, and then this becomes our zone. Price is the bottom of our zone. Let's see what it looks like on the 1 minute. Yeah, price is the bottom of our zone. Breaking the zone, showing it. It's weird because, like, breaking the zone is invalidating the zone, but it's also stalling, showing rejection after breaking the zone. So it goes back to this first one, this first rejection holding as support. I don't know. It's not lining up. It's not really making sense. Because if this was a true zone, and then this was supposed to be the second zone. Well, no. If this was the first zone, and yeah, it started buying, then yeah, this was supposed to be the second zone, breaking structure, build liquidity. Then it comes to the zone, but it should be breaking the zone. Oh well. If today's a missed trade day, today's a missed trade day. Because like I was explaining, these levels, these levels just look like liquidity sitting here and blow through. That's what massive volume is coming through. Not massive, but big buying volume. These big candles, all this liquidity is just grabbed. So we can remove you. Remove you. These levels just holding stop losses here, just holding liquidity to take price higher. Now we're getting rejection at the top because this was the last high, so buyers could be getting out, saying this is resistance, this is a rejection level, and sellers could be stepping in because they think this level is supposed to hold for a third time. The question can be why I didn't enter on the buy after the pullback, after a pullback, even though I was reading break a structure to a retest to a buy. Reason I didn't have it because it's chasing volume. Chasing volume. I would rather miss than chase. Because this is easy as, okay, I'm reading this right. Price could have did this. This rejection here could have led to a sell-off. Or not to a sell-off, it could have led to a break and then to a sell-off. Like any of these levels could have held as resistance. But you're reading it as a break and retest. I am, but it's also not a setup I take. It's not a setup I take. I use break and retest as a trend continuation. Like if I got entry in my zone and it started doing this, oh yeah, these break and retests are good. But it's not in my setup. It wasn't in my setup. I didn't get my entry. So these break and retests aren't confirmations. And so now for price to come to my zone, we got to end up breaking these levels. And we got New York Open right around the corner. It would be something if I get an entry right before New York Open and New York Open blows through TP. Then that would be something. But we still just waiting. Price have to break these levels. I should make another color for these levels.
A2000 EST.
you post today?
The internet never could understand what my life like in real life. Can't post myself crying online cause it don't feel right. I know that burning heavy on me, but it feel like so many people passed away, I can't feel nothing. My eyes still tight. They want a real from me, but my life is getting real in real life. Real life. The internet never gonna understand why I pray to you. Lord, please forgive me, I'll do things that ain't okay with you. Exterior hard, but my heart's soft as baby food. God, you the first father to teach me it's okay to lose, that it's okay to bruise, that it's okay to fall. Don't wanna think about trauma, so I don't think it all. And if it ever come down to it, and I never ball, I never needed fast money because he paid it all. The internet never could understand what my life like in real life. Can't post myself crying online cause it don't feel right. I know that burning heavy on me, but it feel like so many people passed away, I can't feel nothing. My eyes still tight. They want a real from me, but my life is getting real in real life. Real life. Counseling, arguing, fighting, and fussing, that's real life. Believers gossiping, touching and cussing, yeah, that's real life. Can't be comparing them BBLs to my real wife. Temptation all around us, we gotta fight it, that's real life. Nowadays it's two personas, one in life and one online. The one online gon' make us covet. I want yours and you want mine. The one in real life gon' hide if it don't match the internet. We feel alive but dead inside, like Michael Jackson Thriller said. Where I'm from, trying to play K-Dot can get you Nipsey Hussle. I can't promote my homie cause it's ops looking for trouble. Everything ain't for social media, so I break down in silence. My brother sliding, knocking on my door if I get the wildin'. Thinking of violence, conscious on autopilot. I'm thinking about crashing, but he taking control before I end it all. Same thing he did for Paul. What would Paul put on his story? What would Jesus' caption be? Take a break and follow me. Life getting hostile. God, I can't let him see me miss. I can't believe I let the gram see me like this. Open up the word, all coming through. Hit dismiss. I can't see what you doing, but I know you came down in real life, real life. The internet never gonna understand what my life like in real life. Can't post myself crying online cause it don't feel right. I know that burden heavy on me, but it feel like so many people passed away, I can't feel nothing. My eyes still tight. They want a real from me, but my life is getting real in real life.
Okay, Price is shooting to the zone. So let's look at the 5 minute. So I said this level being liquidity. This level was for sure support. And all I can do is mark up the next zone, next level. This is a new level. It's so high. I would rather put it down here, truthfully, because it's so high. We can go to the 1 minute and see. But this will be the new zone that I'm looking at to hold as a demand zone. Like this one was supposed to hold, but price in the holding liquidity right above it as support, and breaking structure. So we kind of new zone. All right. Liquidity sitting here, of course. Liquidity sitting here. I think we probably see that on the 1 minute, on the 5 minute. Yeah, see this on the 5 minute. Liquidity sitting there. Into breaking structure is like here. We'll see. Let's go down to the one. Now this works because it came close. This works. This works as a zone. This is fine. And we're gonna mark you as liquidity now. I'm gonna remove these two. Remove these two. We're gonna mark you up as resistant. I mean, as support. So what I'm seeing now, price went through the top. Price went through the top. So buyers are in control without giving me an entry. That's fine. Didn't get an entry here. found a new zone. Liquidity was built, broke liquidity. It probably held the support level because the EMA as well. This is probably why it held instead of going lower. The EMA just lined up perfectly with the support level, so it just held, which is initiated the buying, giving us another setup to look at. And even here on the 5 minute, we can see the liquidity bodies to a rejection of this level, to a blow through, to a break, to a retest. So I'm gonna assume this level should hold as support. And this retest right above zone should be liquidity to get us back into zone, but this level should end up holding as support. We'll just see. Question, does TP still line up the same if we get an entry like this? Yeah, 18 points. Like, let's be for real. It was from down here to here was 25. So anything this is fine. But like I said, price broke the high, and then we're just getting rejection. I can't. If price rolls to the zone, I don't know how likely it is to hold this level as well. Granted, it's held that support for a while. Like it should hold. But this is going to be a lot of selling to just stop here. So it seems kind of tough. And that's all I'm saying. It seems kind of tough.
Because I'm living in your presence. Yeah. God, you know I'm never second guessing. I'm never stressing. My life is more than all that stressing. Don't all that stressing. I'm not chasing blessings. If you gon' be like me, think you need a
question is, does this line up with anything to the left?
We just making changes. Out here living blameless.
Not entirely. Not at least not anything recent. Now your line's up here, but this doesn't matter given we're here. So I guess there's a little bit rejecting this level. That's the only thing I can see. But I'm holding as, I think buying is in control, so I'm holding as liquidity. And if I don't get a entry here, I mean I just don't get an entry. Right, it's fine. It's a new year. First day trading a new year. Oh yeah, we're fine. Got a long way to go. Feet up on the dash. Feet up on the dash. Feet up on the dash. Feet up on the dash.
Because I'm living in your presence. God, you know I'm never second guessing. I'm never stressing. My life is more than all that stressing. Just like Peter, we walking on water. And I'm not finna say this again. And I know that my father, he's stronger. So I know we gon' win in the end. They try to tell me that Jesus ain't bring down the kingdom and handle the sin. Hey, he was in the beginning, he went in the end, cause I know that it's scripted. I got me and my brothers in Christ in the whip, and we slide like it's 2% tinted. God, I'm giving you all that I have, even if all that I got is a penny. If I'm rich in the spirit, I'm richer in heaven. I know for a fact, cause I'm in it. Hey. Just like Peter, we walking on water. And I'm not finna say this again. And I know that my father, he's stronger. So I know we gon' win in the end. They try to tell me that Jesus ain't bring down the kingdom and handle the sin. Church be saying amen. Facts. God, I know he a friend. He telling me to take over the land. Christ is living in me, and I know for a fact that I'm living in him. Okay. I know with God it's better. I'm following him. I'ma stick to the end. Hey, I'm with the one giving sight to the blind. Okay. He the
like we just been marking up. Last high. Hold that support to continue buying. Amen. But if it's not in my setup, I'm not taking it. Let's say 30 minutes. Or is it 13? 33 minutes. My goodness.
Just like Peter, we walking on water. And I'm not finna say this again. And I know that my father, he's stronger. So I know we gon' win in the end. They try to tell me that Jesus ain't bring down the kingdom and handle the same.
Danger, giants, battle is my story. But alone, I won't know. That's my glory. Shadows, you cannot hide me. My king will fight. The God of angel armies is always by my side.
God, army. Got an army. Nothing been the same since that time. Can I not? What the heck? Hey, me. Okay, we got the king here. Knight jump. This knight jump. We have a knight attacking our queen. So we can put a queen here. Put the king in check. Force the king to move over. Then do what? Well, that's where the puzzle ends. Just putting the king in check, saving our queen. Because this square is defended. Queen is under attack. Move queen. Put king in check. Block off all this. His only square is here. I don't know how we win this. I don't know. Wrong. Leaving your queen vulnerable. I'm tripping. Wow. Just wow. Just wow. Literally a pawn right there. Okay. What is the move here then? Can't just give the queen for free. I can move down. I move down. Still the same thing of putting king in check. They can move to these two. If he moves here, I move up one. So I'm defended. I mean, let's see. Oh, okay. Okay, and Price is just continuing buying. Price is just continuing to buy. He's about to hit TP without me. I thought with Price stalling here was going to start giving the rejection to come down. But no, buyers are full in control. I will wait on you. I will wait. If I did enter here, 11 points. We're looking at. We still could have won. If I would have entered here, it still could have been a winner. Look at me, little baby. Baby, yeah, baby. I'm not going to Haiti. Man, this is something, huh? Hit EMA, straight skyrocket. I'm not you in my mind. I will wait. Feel like I can't wait much longer. We continue. New York almost open. I can see. And I'm not leaving this spot. Okay. I think, truthfully, taking is fine, but just pushing. No, I have to take. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I have to take. Yeah, I had, because he was too close. He was 2 squares away. Feel like a good one longer. Okay, once I was there. Still not deep in this spot. Okay, so Jesus, if I check, he has to move this way or this way. He can't move this way. I'm just gonna check him again. Actually, so this square is defended. Oh, I can check. Wait on you, Lord. He can't go here. He has to go here. And then I mate. Yeah, that seems all right. Wrong. Didn't think of the knight. Okay. Okay. Didn't even think about the knight there. Okay. I can't instantly just check, right? I guess I was thinking too deep about it. Instant check is defended. It can't go this way, it can't go that way. Yeah. Simple. Keep it simple. What's the easiest check you can give? I only looked at one. This is the only check I looked at. I didn't look at any other check. So, should not move this one because it can be captured. And if I capture, he just takes. With this one, it can be captured and it can't go this way. Whoa. It can't go on this row. It's just a ladder mate. Yeah, price is just pricing. Price is just pricing. It seems like I should just close charts, truthfully. I was correct on my analysis of buying today. Incorrect on when and where. Incorrect on when and where. Correct on what to do. Just incorrect on when and where. That's all I'm saying. When price opens, when New York Exchange opens, we still have more to go. We have, this is just the last high. But we have this. We can hit too. I don't know. We just have to see. As well as open could feel the move to buy it again. We'll see. Okay, King. Only 2 spots so you can move. He's trying to bait me. This is bad. I just take it. So this doesn't matter because I'll just take it. It's by itself. What can I do? I can take, put in a check, force it down. Check it again and just force it to run this way. This isn't cool. I mean, it puts it in a horrible position for me. Like, oh, this is also gets captured. This doesn't help. It's not forcing. If I capture, he has to move down. And if I check it again, it has to move this way. If I check here, he just takes for free. Or I move, it moves, I move again, it moves.
It's crazy. Sinjat told me to take it, but I said, nah, you can keep
I would say because
it.
if I take this, he just takes for free. He can just take it back for free.
I'm still standing on business. I came here to win this. I couldn't wait longer like Fitness was putting the brace and he tiled it like
Let's see.
put in the dark until I found a light. Let's go. Since tried to put me off track, give me body desires. I'm doing just fine.
I don't know the next line though. Oh, bro. Because if I take, he just takes for free. If I check, he still takes for free. Oh, but I can take here. Check here. Yeah. I kept stopping here, but I can go here. Check. Can't go this way. Can't go this way. Cool. Okay, price started stalling on this level. And then we got buying volume. Minute before open. Makes me think open is going to be more buying. There it goes. Double E-T. Okay. So on the 5-minute, there isn't another setup on the 5-minute to look for. We had our first one, which didn't get touched. It created the second one that didn't get touched. And that was what, 11-point candle, 12-point candle? Say 10-point candle. And I'm pretty sure buying is going to just continue. We can bring you down. So yeah, I mean, it's like I just want to close this chart because it's just gonna keep buying without giving me entry. And like I discussed it earlier, of course I can enter on these retests of structure, but that's not what I do unless
Boy, shut
I've
up.
already missed my zone. Hey, I'm streaming, so you're on the you can be heard on the stream as well.
Yeah, I know.
So unless price starts pulling back now, I'm truly about to just close the chart. Unless price starts pulling back to the zone, to my zone, I'm about to just close charts. Because it's not like I've missed. It's not like I've missed my entry. If I missed my entry, then I would enter on the retest of structure. But I haven't missed an entry yet. It's just going to TP without me. Slow down. That was promising. It was a doji to a red. Let's see if the red continues. Or if this is about to be a retest of structure to continue buying. Let's do another while we wait.
Has the candle changed yet?
Yeah.
It hasn't changed for me, and my time bar isn't moved. It's stuck on 0.
I'll say just check your connection, like your connection to your account.
What the hell?
Hey there, Yeshua, what's it like up there in heaven? I don't mean to sound so anxious, but I love to feel your presence.
There you go. Remember, there's news at 10. You get your things situated?
No.
Let's see. What is it saying? Is it saying you're connected?
Yeah.
It's what you do for me. So we came back to structure. Sales are trying to sell, but buyers are trying to buy, and just continue the trend that's been happening.
I finally got a new bar, but the time bar at the bottom hasn't moved.
You can take off, remove your time bar, and put a new one up there. I've had to do that a couple times.
No, but it's 9:35, and my candle timer says it's supposed to be the 9:32 candle.
That's weird. You can always restart. Life's not fair. Christ right here.
I'm so confused.
Yeah, I don't know. Both here. Actually.
Is it dropping right now?
Yeah.
What level is it at?
Like currently or the bottom of the wick?
No, currently.
37, 36, 35, 36.
Okay, yeah, my shit's fucked.
Why?
It's showing me that we're still at 40.75.
40? Are you even looking at ES?
Yes. What else would I be looking at? If I go to MES, it says we're at 43.25.
I don't know. What's up with your candle? We're sitting at 39 right now.
Got 1 to 1 minute.
Hammer rejection at the grab. We had a hammer rejection at the grabbing liquidity. This is a good sign to buy.
Bro, I was in a tree and it took me out while it was going up.
Well, price did go down pretty far. It went all the way down to 34.
It took me out while it was going up.
But price went down all the way to 34.
Yeah, I can see that.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
That's what I'm upset about.
Your chart is definitely behind. You should restart. Good news headline. Not saying what? But yeah, so when it started selling, we started getting rejection of the support level. Price sold, grabbed that liquidity, and turned to a rejection candle. So this is showing a good sign of buyers trying to take control. But this second candle ending in a doji shows the sellers are still trying to take price lower. So I'll mark the body because it's equal, 2 body equal with a wick and the high. So this area, this range here, I've marked as a liquidity range that I'll look to target if I can get an entry. If I get an entry in my zone, and I'm looking to target these. That's pretty high, huh? Because like I said, on the 5 minute, we don't have 5 minutes still. I don't have another setup on a 5 minute, and that's what I take. I take 5 minute setups, and I enter on the 1 minute. So first 5 minute setup didn't get hit. Second 5 minute setup, and I don't take these. I don't take these. This rejection looks good. It's just more equal highs. So more equal highs means more liquidity level. We are by way, but not by sight. Oh, you restart?
Yeah. I see all the candles and all the shit that was going on now.
Yeah.
So stupid. It was going up and I just saw order failed. Huh? What do you mean? What do you mean I lost?
That sucks.
I was about to take the 4 points and get my 600 back that I lost the other day.
It says,
I just lost it again.
it says, oh, was that you that said connection loss? Or was that me?
What you talking about?
Oh, it just told me I lost connection, but I'm back. I don't know. Everything is still working in order.
So glad I didn't do it on my live account because I almost did.
Well, it's good you did not. It seems like price is stalling. And hold on, okay, it seems like price is stalling. Well, not seen. Price is definitely stalling. We got sellers stepping in, but buyers are trying to continue price higher. We have needing more liquidity. Could be this level. Could be just coming back to EMA. We need more liquidity, it seems, for price to continue buying. As well as price could be stalling because it's waiting for news at 10. So we could get stall here and then a grab of liquidity somewhere to another stall and before price starts moving again. Because it's red folder at 10, ISM. It's a leading indicator of economic health. Business react quickly to market conditions and then purchasing managers hold perhaps the most current and relevant insight in the company. It's a leading indicator of economic health. ISM manufacturing PMI. Institute of Supply Management. Measures level of diffusion index based on surveyed purchasing managers. I'm not understanding what the point of this is. We're just asking Google. We're asking Bing, my bad. It's a key economic indicator that measures the health of the manufacturing sector. Okay. Survey. Key components: new orders, production, employment, supplier deliveries. Oh, just the health. Okay. Like I said, health of how the manufacturer doing. Okay. That's what PMI is. What did I say? ISM manufacturing PMI. Okay. Some of the way is dark outside. You really don't wanna let you by my side. Oh Lord, to keep my pride. Told you. Oh, you see what hard I lie. What's happening? You want me to fly? Alright. Those up your skies. Alright. Light, shine, shining, shine around me. Oh Lord, when I wake, used to bang, used to win, gave your life. I follow you, follow mine. Clean my mind, give me a brand new heart. You know when I fall, you know when I run. So many ways, dark outside. You know my truth and you know all of my lies. Oh Lord, you my bride. Oh, you give me your eyes. Cause I live, you want me to fly.
When was the last time we were talking about dividends and stuff?
I don't know.
That was the 29th.
Yeah, that's what it was. It was 29. Shine around me. You found me. Okay. Seems buyers are taking control.
4 dividends since then.
Nice. Like $4 worth or 4
No.
shares?
4 dividends from all 4 like different things.
Like $4 and $4 amount.
Yeah, for a dollar amount, not $4.
What are you talking about? I don't know what you're saying.
More than $4. I'm saying I got 4 different dividends.
Oh, you got 4 different returns.
Yeah.
Oh. So it seems sellers gave up, buyers took control, and now we're just pushing higher. So I mean, pretty much it's just time for me to close charts. If price is going to keep on pushing without giving me entry, I just close it. Just close the charts. Nothing to look for. Yeah. Can't know I can find a gas. Down the pass and I'm gonna just wait till news. Cause this could be a fake out. Grabbed all this liquidity. It could be a fake out. So we'll see. Yes, it is.
moaning, I need to sleep. Heavy groaning, I fight for peace. Yeah. When I'm all alone, man, I cry, I weep. Many seconds, they feel like weeks. Suffocating, my pain too deep. Help me, Jesus. How do I keep my face above the water? Talking to God been different lately. Ever since heaven gave my daughter. How do I love this baby so much, but I never saw her. Wish they had FaceTime in heaven. Jesus, please, I need to call her. I know that my God has a plan, but I cry cause I don't understand. It ain't fair that I'm living in grief. Hard to get it, I'm only a man. But my joy coming after the rain. Let me go pray as I wait for the sun. If I see that my night isn't good, I gotta believe that my God isn't done. Yeah, my heart might break, but in your grace is where I stood. Lord, build my faith, it don't look like I thought it would, no. This life is hard, but there's one thing that's understood. That through it all, oh, we believe that you're still good. Lord, we believe that you're still good. Lord, we believe that you're still good. And God ain't done. No, the rain gon' come, but the sun gon' shine. Lord, we believe that you're still good. Lord, build my faith.
So like I said, it could have been a fake out, and it was a fake out going right back down to the same level that's been holding. So this could be the sign for buyers to step in again, or just continue to fake out lower. I prefer sell lower so I can get an entry, you know? That's what I prefer. But the likelihood of me getting an entry, I mean, it's possible actually. The 5-minute EMA is in my 5-minute setup, so it's possible I get an entry, which is kind of beautiful. Oh, if I get an entry, boy, I've been sitting here waiting, just watching price go in my direction without me. If I get an entry. No. This candle's kind of big. Good. 6 points. And here I've been. Yeah, I got it coming. Up to something. You come, won't you come? I don't know where Quez is once again.
Yeah, I ain't worried about it.
Yeah, I was about to tell him I stream Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday, which is what I do, and he can show up. But I'm not. Yeah. I explained it last time. I'm not about to just constantly, hey. Because clearly, they don't care.
Oh my gosh.
It's like the same thing with the fantasy thing. Yeah, let's do a fantasy. Yeah, I'm down. I saw you join. Huh?
I said, yeah, they ain't join nothing.
Yeah, I saw you join, and that was it. No one said nothing. I was like, okay, I'm not saying nothing else about it. Okay, so I'm just gonna do the same. Like I'm telling them last time, I'm telling them Monday, Tuesday, Thursday. But so Price sold off again. Gave a doji, which is indecision, showing signs. Buyers trying to step in after grabbing liquidity. That's when we had that massive buying surge. Massive buying surge could be from buyers stepping in after retesting the last high that was created at 926, as well as these sellers seeing this indecision and getting out of their position. Just like I explained earlier, the same two things. Sellers getting out of position, so sellers getting out is buying, and then this is a retested structure, so buyers are stepping in, looking to defend price to continue going higher. And now this right here was it looked good to continue going down, which would have been in favor, but I think buyers are really stepping in. And it's 9:54. 5 minutes till open. Till news. Yeah. Hurry it up. Recruit for real. They had to recruit for real. Your visa. Station. To my bonita. Okay, prices were so. Look, price is literally just going sideways. That's literally what it's doing. I can get rid of this level. Do like a 30 repeat. Get rid of this level. Because all prices doing it. Didn't I call it? I literally called it, didn't I? Price. It was at 9:40. I was like, price could go sideways until news. And that's literally all it's doing. It's just going sideways. When I'm in the booth. When I'm in the booth. I do it better when I'm in the booth. I do it better when I'm in the Yeah, hit me though. Yeah, recruit for real. They had to recruit for real. Your visa. Like for my bonita. I'm on a Lisa. Pop out like a 30 repeater. 2 minutes. Oh. Can't hold me. Can't hold me. Yeah, when I'm in the pool, I do better when I'm in the pool. I do better when I'm in the pool. Better when I'm in the pool. Poof. Poof, poof. Poof, poof. Which way you think Price want to go?
Up.
Up and away.
Look at it. Oh Lord, it's about to take off.
Oh yeah. Sometimes the minute before news and open be indicators.
Save my soul. We too lit, we live.
305.
Too hot to walk outside. Soon as I step, I spit that fire. Burn your wings, you fly too high. Better go find your balance. Ain't got no taste for sin no more. Had to clean my palate. Jump this beat, no alley. Shout out DJ Khaled. This turbulence got me screaming God did when I land in Cali. This life full of peaks and valleys. That's why I gotta eat my salad. If you got beef with me, little bro, take it up with my daddy. Watch me try to play God. Know how that's gonna end. You wanna burn your bridges, then you wonder why you ain't got no friends. See light through my lens, come and take a pic. I ain't from this world, feeling like Morty and Rick. Had to go read in John, light of this world, no wick. No way,
Okay.
even if plot don't
5 minutes just showed a bunch of indecision, which is all we got is indecision.
with a broom. We too lit, we live. 47305. Too hot to walk outside. Soon as I step, I spit that fire. Burn your wings, you fly too high. Better go find your balance. Ain't got no taste for sin no more. Had to clean my palate. Jump this beat, no alley. Shout out DJ Khaled. This turbulence got me screaming God did when I land in Cali. This life full of peaks and valleys. That's why I gotta eat my salad. If you got beef with me, little bro, take it out with my daddy.
Thinker, got one shot, is it worth it? I'm just chasing a dream with a purpose. Envy's worthless. Heard if you stay in your lane, then you can't be late, not swerving. It's all like a furnace. Minimizing disappointments, I take on burdens.
Why is this candle so big? At the last 15 seconds? What? Why? Why did you do that?
Just to come right back.
Baller clickers.
Not internal drama, say nada, not fuss about no clout or status. Can't sell if I ain't on a playlist, I dream what the taste is. Greatness looks sweet, but I know there's more flicking through pages. They wanna know about my chapters, man seen evolving. See what I got, you can't take it. Younger, often would glance at the window, didn't know this was all first time reality. Grew up in ages, went by trusting I made that right choice, just felt like duality. Did it so I see a wide smile in their face. Rolling a race, I can't lose my sanity. Up now, so I'm avoiding gravity. Watching me wait while I burn these calories. I ain't snapping back the fully cap. We ain't really had no pennies, so we also for the back. Long one under mountain. I could even say it's a hill full of first, then but even call me Jack Stay. Telling my blood don't worry, I tore everything they provided. Trying to give it back where I'm really at. Patient with a milli at. Look, this ain't no statement. Just that I'd rather conceal the pain I feel. We ain't had much in common, but I know that our pain is real. Yeah. Cody's ain't seen hot one, so I can't relate to Shaquille. I pray for my lane, G.O.D. on the wheel. One it was a lesson, not into pills. Get it regardless, me like I'm me on for real, and I'm skating and trusting. I think
Don't want shots, it's worth it.
just chasing a dream of a purpose. Envy's worthless. Heard if you stay in your lane, then you can't be late, not swerving. It's all like a furnace. Minimizing disappointments, so I take on burdens. She say I can't fumble piece in a puzzle. Figure bring my purpose.
Oh my geez. Okay, well, it's looking like it's about time to close the charts. That's all it's showing me. It's about time to close the charts. That really sucks. It stopped right above my zone, and it just started buying. Right above my zone, started buying. It used my liquidity level right above the zone as support, and just started buying from there. No, just have you waiting. Finally out of work. Leave my head alone. I cannot make a phone. I see that you're alive. Right now, it's looking like he's about to create a Head and Shoulders. You see that?
Mm-hmm. And this one would be for the downside, right?
Yeah. It has to move. It's gonna have to move 20 points for me to get entry. That's kind of crazy. That's like, with how price is moving, that's like 1030, 1040 entry. Flipping the page. No, I just have your way. Something wrong with Adrian Giselle as well. It's actually showing as a Head and Shoulder. Head and Shoulders. Head and Shoulders is basically what I enter on for all my trades. Cause like this is shoulder, head, shoulder. Now I'm gonna buy entry. If it was inside my zone, that would have been the buy. Shoulder, head, shoulder. So selling here isn't a bad idea. It's not a bad idea at all, especially this level showing strong signs of resistance. What I can do. I just want to see you wanna treat you right. I've been thinking about it a lot, then right. I just wanna see you wanna treat you right. This is a retest of the consolidation.
Remind me, if you looking for it, you know where to find me. You ain't paying for me, so you can't decline me. Can't go till the devil get behind me. Can't throw it up, can't throw it up. People will pull it up. If your price too high, you ain't been blowing up. If you ain't had a ooh wee,
You can roll with us. What's the word? This is ooh wee. Can't believe God did it. Ooh wee. I was tripping. Ooh wee. That was. Get back in. Put your foot in your mouth. Tic tac toe. I ain't got it. You gonna take the red out. Can't tap dance around the truth. This is slow down. Really gonna let God know who from your hands, you hear me? Let me hear you still feel alive. Let me hear if God did his job. Let me hear if God on your side. I've been changing on town, no tripping outside. Feel lost my mind, but you kept me. Work hard for your mercy, you think I did it all. I think this is a fake out. So we have that massive green, that massive red to a doji on the consolidation level. So I think it's a fake out.
Lord, I ask for your grace over my life as I repent of my sins. I'm asking you to place your anointing over these lyrics and not only fill me with your spirit, but with all the words to carry out this message. And more importantly, give me the energy. Amen. Blaze do my beats. Yeah. Look, he gave me the energy because the enemy had me so lazy. That I hit a beat drop is like the Holy Spirit go crazy. Even through all my lies, depression and anger, he still came through and he saved me. All he want me to do is just talk about it. Since I'm living, he already paid me crazy. I was too focused on what didn't matter, yet he was still with me the whole time. Untied every soul tie when I repented, he made the soul rise. No more lies, ain't no more cries. Now that I'm alive, I know it's on the line. Used to hope to die because I know that I had made the same mistakes about 40 times. I'm forgiven. And it's written. Yeah. So I don't even worried about the enemy trying to discourage my mouth.
I don't know if my head could take much more. There's that. See what I mean? Like, I thought it was a fake out. That's a strong. We're sellers. Strong sellers.
That's why it's so easy for me to be open. I gotta put them on notice, cause I don't even think they know that I am. Every time I feel like I come up with a plan, the devil be plotting his motive too. Discussing with God on my weaknesses, but I just hate that the enemy know them too. I am not like all these other artists who be selling their music with no truth. Not just telling you about what I came from, but I be telling you about what I'm going through. I've been reading my Bible for clarity, I just been seeking some answers, I'm searching. Watching my parents divorce after 20 years, you can't tell me the devil not working, man, that really hurt me. I am affected by these generational curses. I guess that's a regular thing, but I'm not a regular person. No, I'm not perfect, but I'ma change the industry. I'm about to set it on fire. Sending me in like I'm Jeremiah. Sending me in, but I'm not the Messiah. Sending me in like I'm Moses. They trying to play with God like we don't know this. Isn't it obvious? Everyone knows it. But if they
I wish I could set like a. I wish I could set an alert, like on TradingView. I guess I could set an alert on TradingView. If price comes back, once I close the chart, I'm not coming back. I'm not coming back. Let's be for real.
Yeah, we know you know.
Yeah. I'm not coming back. But how it's looking like it's not going to move until 11:30. Because okay, it did all this movement from 8:30 to 9:30. So it had a whole hour of buying, and then we're stalling. We're just sideways stalling. So price is building up. Now, but since it's 10 o'clock, people are about to start coming away from trading in the morning. You know, around 10:30 is where low volume kicks in. People step away for lunchtime. They don't come back until around 12:30. Sometimes it's 11:30, but my point is, right now we're in low volume price and it's an indecision. So it's gonna be later, maybe even 12. Price is gonna break one of these, either the high or the low, this consolidation, and choose a direction. But how it's looking right now, I don't know if I'm gonna get an injury. EMA still in my zone, so if Price starts dumping right now, it looks like a 10:30 injury. But it's too indecisive. Price is too indecisive. I'm gonna give it till 10:30. 10:30 is my final cutoff. Final cutoff. 10 is my cutoff, but I'll go to 10:30 because it's promising. It's very promising. Me getting my injury is promising. There's liquidity sitting below this consolidation that will fuel a price getting to my zone. And plus I have support in my zone, plus 5 and EMA in my zone. So I'll give it to 10:30 to try to potentially get me injured. You know. What'd you do? Well, you did.
Praise the Lord, make it
can't
dope.
even do
That's
this.
the whole mission. The way the tribe come through, it feel like no limit. They tell you play your cards right, he tell you go fishing. He the truth, see the fruit, this ain't Pulp Fiction. People wanna beef with Dilly, man, that's so silly. You might catch me out with Paris like Nicole Richie. You hit the internet and told them that you so litty. I couldn't find a single fan, I searched the whole city. Hear no evil, speak no evil.
Oh, Shadow's dividends you got? Did you put them back in?
I don't know where they're going.
What do you mean?
I might have to hit up Miles just to glow witness. Snitches get stitches and I'm playing pro Quidditch. Told on myself and he took the whole sentence. This official competition is irrelevant. The upper room ain't got no room for an elephant. Break bread, drink wine, feeling like a meditate. Rainy in Second Testament, feel like a sedative. Alien way that I'm creating all this rhetoric. Damien the way I was rebelling for the hell of it. Hades had me in a headlock and I accepted it. Jehovah grabbed a hold of me and told me that the message is
Praise the Lord, make it dope. That's the whole nation. That's the whole nation.
They tell you play your cards right, he told you go fishing. He the truth, see the fruit, this ain't Pulp Fiction.
Soon as I'm finished on the table saw, I sand it well. I ain't got time for fake Bible quotes like Samuel L. If cleanliness was next to godliness and practice, then I highly doubt the one that paved the way would look like John the Baptist. Ironically, the tribe ain't really about no tribalism. Ain't trying to diss a MAGA rapper just to cause division. But I will correct the record if you spark it and you come after my brother on some dumb dogmatic garbage. Use Jehovah's name for clicks after your God King got indicted. Saying I'm a Christian rapper now, why aren't you all excited? Maybe that's because our fans got more discernment than you do. Try to make the scriptures fit into your view like Sudoku. One hand behind my back, but I'm for swinging like Dooku. One time for Pastor Thanks to YouTube, we got to build our own dreams. First we try to give you half, but now we own the whole thing.
Praise the Lord, make it dope, that's the whole mission. Way the tribe come through, it feel like no limit. They tell you play your cards right, he told you go fishing. He the truth, see
20.
Praise
Okay.
God, make it vibe, that's the tribe pride. If you get bored, we make a wave, we turn in the tide. These privileged rappers ain't got skin in the game. They went outside with us, we been spoiling them, spurring the ride. When too many
Double.
people gas you, it make your head swell. Get a mentor before you leave, you gotta be led well. Hold in the water. Decode this and you won't fail. Listen, just cause you got motion, that don't mean that you can sail. Just because you blow, that don't mean that you got fans. You like the family matter, that don't mean
Okay, this is kind of big though. Hold on, look at this one. What did you say, 40? So I need 12. This is 13. Versus. Let's drop. So it's not bad. So Jeppy is definitely one I should go for. Jeppy. Jeppy's greatest return on investments. I think I have one Jeppy. Yeah. Traveling and traveling and invest.
I hope that ain't why they upset. I know my life is just really a test. I just try to just give them my best. Flash say this state, I go pray in the telly.
Oh, I do have one Jeppy.
That day I was chosen, I knew I wasn't ready.
Only one man can make this prediction.
I ride like Pirelli. You know I die me a felly. I could've been in the celly. My life could've really been hectic. I just be dripped down on me to my fruit, drinking tea, thinking about what's in heaven.
Like, we up.
Always hot top, everyone get to stumping like I was just nailing.
You're 8%. It's not bad. It's not bad. 8% a year.
They can't get too close while I'm swerving in traffic. I found me a lane and I took off with rap. Told on hit to the exit if they ain't with step. Ain't no one on rip. Second to the biggest, know that don't step. Y'all.
Else you get 2 in December. You don't get one in January, you get one in February. Okay. Only one man can make this prediction. And the February one is like the cheap, the lowest one. Normally. Past 2 years it has been. Okay, we're at the top. 9. There's no way Price is getting to my zone in 9 minutes. So I'm closing the charts. Okay, that'll be the end of today's session. I'll see y'all tomorrow.